Hello and welcome to What's New in Ignite for our 2025.2 release. Let's start with a quick high-level overview. There are three main pillars for improvements this time. This is new applications and functionality, user experience improvements, and workflow enablers. First, on the application side, we've added multi-CPU support for catalyst tuning, which makes those runs noticeably faster. I'll come back to this later in this presentation because it's one of the big improvements for this release and deserves a closer look. We've also introduced automated reporting for EV performance metrics. This removes a lot of manual work and ensures consistent traceable outputs, and again, I'll cover this in more detail later. For optimization studies, we now have a mode frontier node giving you a much more direct and streamlined way to set up DOE and optimization workflows. On the user experience side, our post now has a redesigned plot manager where you can now edit pages, plots, axes and curves all in one place. It's a big time saver, especially when you're preparing large reports, as you can now modify multiple plots all in one set of actions and all in one place. We've also enhanced the ND map editor and integrated it directly into Rdesk, making it quicker and more intuitive to work with, allowing you to have more access to your multidimensional calibration data. And finally, workflow enablers. MWorks now supports Python workflows even for parameters that need to recompile. And this opens the door to full automation of tasks that used to require manual intervention. So that's the high-level overview. Next, I'll take a closer look at two of the most impactful features in this release: the multi-CPU speedup for catalyst tuning and the automated EV reporting step, both of which bring real day-to-day benefits to our users. So let's take a closer look at the first of the two big improvements, multi-CPU support for catalyst tuning. This is something a lot of users have been asking for, and it makes a real difference in day-to-day optimization work. The challenge, as may be known, is that optimization normally means running a lot of scenarios. Traditionally, those batches would run one after the other, which slows down the whole tuning process, especially when exploring a wide parameter space. With 2025.2, all of that can now be run in parallel across multiple CPUs. So instead of waiting for long sequential batches, we spread the jobs out, evaluate many designs at once, and massively cut the overall runtime. It means you can iterate faster and explore more options without changing your workflow. We've also improved the interaction side of the process. You can see progress in real time through the dashboard, what's running, what's completed, and how the results are evolving as data comes in. It gives you a much clearer feel for how the optimization is behaving and lets you spot issues earlier. Finally, once the full population finishes, the system can automatically move on to the next optimization stage. All of the CPUs sync up, and the next set of designs is selected, and the cycle continues without the user needing to step in. So overall, the tuning process becomes faster, smoother, and more scalable. The second feature I want to highlight today is the automated EV metrics reporting. This is aimed at anyone working with electric vehicle models who needs quick, consistent performance summaries without spending time on manual post-processing. The nice thing about this feature is how little effort it takes to enable. You just drop the component into your model, set a few parameters, and that's it. The reporting workflow handles everything automatically. There's no external tooling or extra formatting steps required. It's also fully tied into the Ignite model, so because your reporting block is connected directly to the battery and the vehicle model, it automatically adapts to whenever or whatever configuration you're simulating. So whether you're swapping battery packs, tweaking powertrains, or testing different vehicle classes, the key performance indicators stay consistent and set up correctly for that set of options. And once the simulation is done, the results appear instantly in RPost using predefined templates. These templates follow standard EV analysis conventions, so you get clean, professional looking plots and tables immediately. No time spent organising curves or tidying up the layouts. So overall it gives you faster reporting, better consistency across your teams, and much less manual effort. So that wraps up the key updates for Ignite 2025.2. I hope you found this useful, and as always, if you want to dig deeper into any of these features or see them running on one of your own models, just reach out to us. You can contact us anytime at support@realist-simulation.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.